Good morning everyone. Now I am telling about the indicator. The substance which is used to find acid or base is called an indicator. It is not changed its color. That's why it is a acid. It changes its colors into red. That's why it is a base. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Hariharan. Now I am testing red litmus paper with acid and base. This is acid. When I dipped in acid, it didn't change its color. Now I am dipping in base. When I dip in base, it is changes to blue color. So this is acid and base. Thank you.
Indicator of hibiscus. To know acids and bases, first if it stains to red color, it is a acid. And if it stains to yellow, it is a base. Good morning everyone. Today we are finding which is acid or base with the indicator of beetroot juice. First we are trying with this. It is purple, so it is base. It is acid.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ephraim. Now I am telling about how blue litmus paper changes its color with acid and base. When blue litmus paper dipped in acid, it changes its color into red. When we dip in base, it changes its color into blue. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shripad of class 7th. It is hydrochloric acid. First we want to add lead to it. We want to close it. It is hydrogen gas. When we match, it gets popped on.
Hi everyone, now I would like to share sodium bicarbonate. When we add sodium to acid, it releases carbon dioxide. You can observe.
What we can observe?
Finish. Now we can observe carbon dioxide releasing from sodium bicarbonate. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. My name is Nagreddy Sathik Reddy. I am studying 7th class in Teja Vidyalaya. Now I am explaining the indicator methyl orange. Methyl orange is a pH plus indicator. It is represented in orange in color. It will change its color by strong oxidic gases like HCl and potassium permanganate. Now I will show you the total. It changes its color. It is acid. It changes its color to yellow because it is a base. Thank you. Good morning everybody. My name is Nagreddy Sathik Reddy. I am studying 7th class in Teja. Now I am telling about methyl orange indicator to find acid of base. red color means it is base, acid. It changes to yellow color means it is a base. Thank you.
My name is Venu. Today we are telling about phenolphthalein indicator. Let's look. It is not change its color. It is acid. Now look. It is changes color. It is base. It is pink color. Thank you.